Enforcement Directorate team from Mangaluru had visited Casino Pride in the process of investigation and collecting some evidence. But according to the complaint, these accused persons who are staff of Casino Pride and the director of Casino Pride, and according to the complaint, the director of Casino Pride with his staffs obstructed the officials from performing their lawful duty. Panaji police has registered FIR against Ashok Wadia, director of Casino Pride, Gopal Ramnath Naik, Arti Raja, these are the staffs of Casino Pride and other staffs of Casino Pride, for deterring the Enforcement Directorate team from performing. According to Panaji police, Mahesh Kumar Chaudhary, assistant enforcement officer, appeared before the police station and submitted a written complaint saying that these accused persons disrupted the search proceeding under Prevention of Money Laundering Act by Sri Ashok Wadia, who is the director of Casino Pride. In the complaint, it has also been mentioned that accused threatened them for causing injury and also destroyed some evidences. Panaji police has registered FIR under section 32, 223, 224, 127, 238 and read with 3(5) of Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita. Investigation in this matter is going on. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.